Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Lucidity for All, and this is YouriZaritski, your coach for the shift into lucid dreams and astral projection. If you are new to the channel, we are on a series of videos for you to become proficient in lucid dreaming, astral projection until year end 2022. So subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on the upcoming training videos. The subject of today is I'm forgetting. Oh no, intent. The subject of today is intent. So why is it important? Intent is important in at least 3 places in your practice. Number one is, why do you want to practice the shift into lucid dreams and astral projection? That is one more motivator. And even after you answer that, on a daily basis, you want to do this to fly to space. You want to do this to meet somebody famous. You want to do this to understand your health. You want to do this to improve your athletic abilities or your performance, gymnastics performance or something like that. Possibilities are infinite. So your intent is there too. It's your motivation. Why you want to wake up in the middle of the night and apply techniques. You need to have some intent, okay? And another one is we just spoke about the separation, and during separation from the body you need the intent and not your muscles, because your body is in a sleep paralysis. So you will need to work on the intent and how it works. And the third place where you work on your intent is within the shift, within the dream state. Everything answers to your intent. When you intend to find something behind the door, it's with your intent that you want to find the moon surface as you open the door, while your habitual intent thinks that behind the door is the corridor, or it's behind the fridge door it's yogurts and milk, etc. So when you change the intent, you change the way the dreamscape is modeled around you, which is not the case around you in most cases. It's not like that. It's not as magical in your waking reality. When you intend behind the door, different than the corridor, you still have the corridor, it's still solid. But in the dream state, everything is absolutely malleable and flexible, so you can change that. And so I will propose to you one very simple exercise for you to practice your intent. And as you practice that, you will notice how your intent interacts with your immediate environment during the shift. And then you can apply that during anything else of among your efforts, like teleportation, opening the door and finding a new location, holding the hand and making something appear inside your hand while you see the hand is empty, but you want an apple appear on that hand. But as you are looking at your hand, you are kind of fixing that hand to be empty because you see it empty and you think that nothing, it cannot change. But with the right effort of the intent, you can make something appear, materialize in your hand, even though you are seeing it empty. So to train that, the effort will go like this. You will sit down in a perfect yogi position. Even if you are not flexible, don't worry. During the shift time, everyone is flexible and perfect, so you can sit down, or just cross your legs, okay? Put your 2 hands on your 2 knees, because we are going to fly, but we are not going to move your hands to fly. We are not going to change direction with your hands. You are not going to steer your body left and right with your hands, like with the wind. We're gonna use only your mind to steer you, to accelerate, to slow down, to reach a certain location in space. Only your mind. So do not even try to move your head to steer you with the wind. Maybe you are flying in that yogic position and you feel the wind and you start to steer with your head. No, I don't want anything like this. I want your head not moving, your hands are not moving, your legs are not moving, so you're not snaking inside the air, you're not swimming in the air, you're moving around in that space, in the lucid dream or astral projection, out of body experience, the shift. You are moving with your mind, with your intent, and then if you manage to accelerate, decelerate, changing direction, sudden 90-degree turn, sudden 180-degree turn, going up, going down, going left, right, front, back, in all directions, go upside down, and change, move around in all directions, and play with speed, play with directions, and all of that with your mind, without your hands. And you will understand how your intent is moving you around within that space, and not your hands, and not your physical body, not your muscles. Okay, it's not the wind that moves you around. You need to understand that point. When you understand that point, then you can apply that principle for difficult separations. You will remember what I said, and you apply your intent to separate from the body, not use your muscles, not being stubborn, catching the curtains to try to separate, or touching your head and try to unstick your head from your body. So this is how useful that is. Work on your intent with that exercise. It's a very simple exercise. As far as I'm concerned, I never heard anyone around the globe exercising intent with your flying capabilities, and I find this is very simple, and it's giving you a feedback very quickly. If you try to stop and you don't stop, your intent is not good enough. If you try to change the direction of your flight and it's not changing, your intent is not good enough. You see? So how do you want to be good in teleportation, or using the doorways and imagining that the moon is behind the door? If your intent is not strong enough, it's hesitant, you think you are intending to be on the moon, but you have a hesitation, hence you open the door and the moon is not there. It's your intent is not good enough. So flying is giving you the possibility to train your intent, and to have the flight itself is your teacher. So you have the action and you have the immediate response from your teacher, that is the flight itself, to tell you, oh, your intent is good, your intent is not good. And you will see that you try to stop, but you are not stopping, so you are still keep flying to the same direction. You want to reach a certain window of the building while you fly, and you overshoot, and you go too high or you go too low, etc. It's gonna be clumsy flights at the beginning. You want to perfect your flight, so spend a few shifts on focusing on working on your intent, and you will thank me later. All the rest of your practice will be linked to the strength of your intent, of the purity of your intent. No hesitation, very focused, goal-oriented intent, unshakable, will bring much better results than, oh, I'm not sure if I want to be on the moon, I don't know if I wished it well enough, This is all hesitation that brings, the results that are questionable. We don't want that. Okay, I think I have been clear enough. So let me know if that was clear enough for you guys. I think it was clear for me. Is it clear for you? Comment down below. You can thank me by liking the video. And if you would like to accelerate your practice, go a little bit faster than waiting until the year end, and to have a little bit more information with more details, be my guest. You can purchase my full package is called Advanced. With all 3 modules. It's on my website, lucidityforall.com. Go to learning section, get it there, and communicate back with me by email, or we can make some short calls as well. I can help you out on your learning curve. Okay guys, see you soon in 1 week time. One more training video. You have 1 week to train yourself, and come back to me, tell me how is it going on with the training. See you soon, 1 week time. YouriZaritski, Lucidity for All, signing out. See you soon.